If you want to create images like this, or even this, then stay right where you are, as I am about to show how you can make images like you have just seen. I'm Thane, and today I'm going to guide you through the enchanting process within Midjourney, showing you how to craft visuals that are truly a feast for the eyes. I delight in the exploration of AI technologies, and currently, my affection lies deeply entwined with Midjourney. It's an ever-evolving landscape where I share my findings and experimentations in the visual space with all of you. As we embark on this journey, I've delved into the tune feature of Midjourney and unearthed 10 styles that stand out with their distinct charm. These styles were gleaned from a prompt I've revisited from my archives, a Psytrance fantasy, from a creative session earlier this year. The output was quite striking, and I couldn't resist experimenting with a handful of entirely random styles upon it. Elevating the stylized value to a robust 1000, we aim to maximize the potential of these styles. Admittedly, I cannot offer a side-by-side comparison without this enhancement, yet one might infer the quality to be significantly enriched. We must note that prior to our experiment, random styles could be a bit of a gamble, occasionally leading to less than pleasing aesthetics. However, with a heightened stylized value, we anticipate each image to be transformed into something rather exquisite. As for consistency, I've used a seed value of --seed 777 for a bit of comparative insight. Despite recent fluctuations post-tune feature adjustment, it's been a curious observation how sometimes one achieves the exact same result, and at other times, a new variant altogether. Maintaining Psytrance fantasy within the prompt as a foundational element, I've simply appended it with a single keyword for each variation. Orchard, blueprint, castle, legend, explorer, oasis, hamster, and robot. Each term has been meticulously chosen to showcase the versatility and consistency of these styles. It is prudent to be succinct with your prompts. The more you add, the further you may drift from the intended artistic vision. Should you decide to omit Psytrance fantasy from the prompt, the resulting style may diverge significantly, potentially losing the essence of what makes these styles so appealing. Feel free to play with the order of the words in your prompts. The AI can be quite accommodating. Your insights and opinions on the styles are invaluable, so please do share them in the comments below. And if you find yourself enchanted by the art of AI, consider extending your support with a like and subscribing for more artistic adventures. Let's begin without further delay. And do take a look at the link I have provided in the description to an overview of all these styles, plus some bonus ones that didn't make it to this video. Psychedelic Futuristic Tribalism. Rich gold and black palette with psychedelic patterns, cybernetic and tribal motifs, and luminescent accents in dynamic compositions. This tends to do some spiky things and mostly people. It's even reaching with the hamsters, but the robots look way better. Neon Gothic Florals. Gothic atmosphere with cool color tones, dark portraits, and floral motifs against medieval architectural backgrounds, featuring neon highlights. Seems to be preferring portraits, bringing them in for most images. This time we don't really see robots, but hamsters are a different story. Golden Cybernetic Tribalism. Warm golden tones with tribal mask motifs, ancient civilization architecture, and futuristic cybernetic elements. I think this would look great with a superhero theme. It seems to be preferring the mask-like male close-up portraits, but hamsters look so cute here. Neon Cyberpunk Tribal Hieroglyphics. Neon tribal patterns and cyberpunk hieroglyphics with luminous circuitry designs, featuring a psychedelic digital folklore synthesis. With the exception of castle, I really like the tribal and squiggly nature of this style. The neon goes so well with this, it's so chaotic but I love it. Pastel Whimsical Celestials. Soft pastel colors with whimsical character designs, celestial and floral motifs set in dreamy landscapes. Really soft and cute stuff that looks like emblems of some sort quite often. Some of the words seem to be more difficult to picture, but again, really cute hamsters and robots. Neon Psychedelic Cybernetics. Neon glow with psychedelic fractal designs, cybernetic human faces, and vivid contrasts in luminescent nature settings. I adore these colors. I guess I have chosen some neon styles this time. Quite many portraits and the oasis looks just plain weird. Tranquil Bioluminescent Forest. Ethereal forest settings with bioluminescent lighting, mystical orbs, and serene figures in tranquil green and blue hues. Really glowy and epic with a really big emphasis on the fantasy part of the prompt. Lots of princesses in dresses and magical glowing hamsters. Pop Art Neon Surrealism. Pop art aesthetic with neon color splashes, abstract portraiture, and psychedelic backdrops in an urban graffiti style. A bit of a weird one, but definitely different. Again, seems to prefer facial portraiture on a dark background. Storybook Whimsical Nature. Lush green storybook landscapes with fantastical treehouses, vibrant wildlife, and mystical creatures. Seems to be varying from realistic to illustration in the span of the style. I like that it shows also the environments and also applies well to hamsters and robots. Watercolor Dreamy Technoscapes. Vibrant watercolor splashes with translucent layering and digital crystalline structures in ethereal landscapes. Really unique and colorful style, although the castles look a bit strange. And it kind of goes towards anime a bit with hamsters and robots. If you made it this far in the video, you are awesome. Let's continue prompting.